What if I told you there's one formula that can solve any quadratic equation? No guessing, no trial and error. Let's discover the quadratic formula. A quadratic equation has the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a, b, and c are just numbers. The highest power of x is 2. The quadratic formula says x equals negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. This gives us the values of x. This part, b squared minus 4ac, is called the discriminant. If it's positive, you get 2 answers. If 0, 1 answer. If negative, no real answers. Example 1. Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. First, identify your values. A is 1, b is negative 5, and c is 6. Substitute into the formula. We get 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 24 over 2. That's 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So x equals 3 or x equals 2. Example 2, slightly harder. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. Here a is 2, b is 3, and c is negative 2. Watch that negative sign carefully. Substituting. Negative 3 plus or minus root of 9 plus 16 over 4. That's negative 3 plus or minus 5 over 4. So x equals half or x equals negative 2. Common mistake. In x squared minus 5x plus 6, many students write b as positive 5. But b is negative 5. Always include the sign. Negative b then becomes positive. Memory aid. Negative boy couldn't decide whether to go to a radical party. The party was over at 2 a.m. This song helps you remember the formula for exams. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and practice questions. See you in the next video.